Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Today I am going to discuss the exercise of the first chapter, objective type question. So look at your book. Let's start. First question is here. Choose the correct option. The branch of science which deals with the different forms of energy, light and sound. Answer is physics. The branch of chemistry which includes study of specific carbon compounds, buildup of mainly carbon and hydrogen. Answer is organic chemistry. The scientist who formulated the periodic table, Dmitry Mendeleev. Predecessors to the modern chemist who created the philosopher's stone, alchemist. A synthetic fiber used in clothing, that is terylene. Next, a medicine to treat pain, fever and inflammation. Answer is aspirin. Water soluble cleaning agent not inactivated by hard water. That is a water soluble cleaning agent not inactivated by the hard water. Answer is detergent. A substance which absorbs moisture and keeps the skin dry and free from rashes. Answer is talc. A chemical used as a preservative for jams and pickles. Answer is benzoic acid. Next, a substance which dissolves grease and oil and is preferred as a drain cleaner. Answer is sodium hydroxide. Next question is here. Match the apparatus. First of all, that is test tube stand. Next, wire gauge. That is conical flask. Next, beehive self. E. burette. F. retort. Next, delivery tube. That is pipette, round bottom flask and thistle funnel. Next, number 3, select the correct option from A, B and C for each of the function of the apparatus given. For gas preparation, where heating is required. For gas preparation, heating is required in round bottom flask. Next, for holding was test tube. For holding test tube होता तो हम लोग test tube holder बोलते, मगर answer will be test tube stand because after washing the test tube we will keep them in test tube stand. Next, a glass apparatus resistant to chemicals made of pyrex and used for the heating specific liquids, that is boiling tube. Next, a metallic apparatus which supports the wire gauge, ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड, क्योंकि ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड के ऊपर ही हम लोग वायर गॉज प्लेस करने के बाद कुछ हीट देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ए लॉन्ग ग्लास apparatus closed at one end and used for the collecting gases. Answer is gas jar. A glass apparatus which measures liquid by the sucking liquid at one end up to the marked level and later pouring it out. That is, answer is pipette. Next, a long glass tube with a broad inlet at the top which allows entry of the reactants into the round bottom flask during laboratory preparation of gases. The answer is funnel. A clay vessel kept in a trough of water during a collection of gas by the downward displacement of water. Answer is beehive self. Next, a modern apparatus with an air regulator used for the heating purpose, that is Bunsen burner. Next, last question is here. A rectangular mesh with an asbestos at its center kept for initiating even distribution of heat to the bottom of apparatus. Answer is were gauge. Next, give reason for the following question. First question is here. Why alchemy was considered a pseudoscience? Pseudoscience means they do not valid by the science and their principle cannot be proven by the scientist. That's why alchemy was considered a pseudoscience. Next, preservatives are added to food or beverage. For what? Because preservative actually stunted the growth of microorganisms inside our food, like bacteria, yeast, molds, etc. Next, titanium dioxide is an important ingredient in cosmetics because titanium dioxide prevent the absorb the UV rays of sun, actually act as a sun's protector. That's why it is used in sunscreen. Aspirin is one of the most widely used medication globally because aspirin actually treats to pain, fever and inflammation, as well as it actually helps to decrease the rate of heart attack. Next, number 5, ordinary soap is wasted in hard water because ordinary soap is not able to produce leather with hard water. That's why ordinary soap is wasted. Next, number 6, a philosopher's stone is not exactly a stone. Basically, a philosopher's stone is not exactly a stone. It is a powdery substance. It actually helps to transformation of the cheaper metal, base metal into expensive metal like gold. Next, number 7, food processing is an important procedure for obtaining marketable food products because in the food processing, they involve physical and chemical method for the transformation of the raw ingredients of food into usable, marketable food products. That's why we follow the food processing. Next, cosmetics may contain preservative as one their ingredient. Cosmetic also may contain preservatives because preservatives actually stunted the growth of microorganism. That's why it is also used in cosmetics. Next, polyester is used to natural fiber cotton to give terylene because the combination of polyester and cotton, this combination actually help to make the fabric more easy to clean and crease resistant. Last question is here. All medicines must be taken under proper doctor supervision and in the correct dose because each and every chemical substance has side effects. That's why if we take more or less medicines as our wish, so it creates the side effects like aspirin. When we intake much aspirin, it produces inflammation of stomach like ulcer. So student, it is ordered by me for all of you. You will write down the all question answer at a proper copy because it will be collected at the end of the year. That's why you will write all the question answer which actually I have discussed in this video, and you will just write down the answer in a proper copy. So I hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. And the next class I will start the next chapter. So for today, up to this portion.